In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable keyboard shortcuts in Jira. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's get started. First, you need to log into your Jira account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which is your main workspace. Here's a tip. If you're new to Jira or just want to familiarize yourself with its features, exploring the dashboard is a great first step. Now, look at the top right corner of your screen. You should see a help or question mark icon. It often looks like a small question mark. Click on that icon. This will bring up a drop-down menu with various options that can help you navigate Jira better. After clicking on the help icon, you'll want to find the option that says Keyboard Shortcuts. It typically appears in that drop-down menu. Go ahead and select that option. This action will lead you to the Keyboard Shortcuts menu, where you can see a full list of all the keyboard shortcuts available in Jira. It's pretty handy if you want to speed things up, but I understand if you want to turn them off for a more streamlined experience. Now that you're in the Keyboard Shortcuts menu, you'll notice a status toggle button. If the shortcuts are currently enabled, this toggle will reflect that status. You want to look for this switch. It's usually near the list of shortcuts. It might take a second to find, but it should be fairly intuitive. Once you locate it, you can now proceed to disable the shortcuts. Just click that toggle button. You'll notice that it will move to the off position. And just like that, you've successfully turned off the keyboard shortcuts in Jira. This means that you can no longer accidentally trigger any shortcuts while you're working, which is great if that's been a challenge for you. In case you decide later that you want to re-enable those shortcuts, maybe when you get more comfortable with Jira, return to the same spot and you can easily toggle the switch back on. It's straightforward and gives you the flexibility to customize your Jira experience according to your needs. So to recap, first, log into Jira and navigate to your dashboard. Click on the Help icon in the top right corner, choose the Keyboard Shortcuts option from the drop-down menu. Find that status toggle button and click it to disable the shortcuts. That's all there is to it. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this has helped you feel a little more in control of your Jira environment. If you've enjoyed this tutorial and want to see more like it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button